have one of the famous name of the Karachi, Dr. Afzal Lodhi with us. Welcome to the community of urticaria, and you would like to say something about it.
Disbeliefs and myths are there that these things are not treatable, urticaria is not treatable, acne is not treatable. On the contrary, these things are, I think, treatable, and now we have newer medicines in our armory, and we have newer compounds coming up. So yes, now we can treat all these things very easily.
So the good news is that we can treat it very well. The doctors are there, the awareness is there. That's why we are here, you know, with a camera.
बहुत अच्छा पब्लिक अवेयरनेस के लिए भी है, और लोगों को पता भी चले कि ये प्रॉब्लम है क्या, इसकी सिवियरिटी क्या हो सकती है, ये कितना माइल्ड या से स्वेयर हो सकता है, लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग हो सकता है. तो ये पब्लिक अवेयरनेस बहुत जरूरी है.
Hi, lovely face from the industry, Matira. Hi, Matira.
Hi, how are you, darling? Well, of course, I support this cause, and I believe that if whatever the skin disease is, do not abandon the person, and go to the doctor at the correct time. You should get help before it's too late.
We have a lovely, gorgeous lady with us, Angie Marshall. Hi, Angie.
I think that it is very, very important, and thanks to Novartis Pharmaceuticals for bringing this awareness to all of us, and finding a remedy for it, because it's a very, very, how should I say, uncomfortable situation जब किसी को urticaria होता है तो.
We have Dr. Q with us from London.
Absolutely. This is a lovely thing that you're spreading awareness in the public about urticaria, because this is one of the conditions, although it's very rare, but it could be very debilitating, because it causes so much distress to the patients who are suffering with it. Although it's less than 1%, but still that's very debilitating.
Very true, very true.
कितना वीरान हो चुका है मेरी हस्ती का जमाल, वक्त के जिस्म की खराश हूँ मैं, अपने अंदर से पाश पाश हूँ मैं, अब एक मैं और मेरी तन्हाई, और मेरी तन्हाई.
थमा है वक्त तुम्हारा, गुमी नहीं मंजिल, जमीन तुम्हारी है, ये आसमां तुम्हारा है. बढ़ो आगे बढ़ो, जाके छू लो उसे, बुलंदियों पे उफक की वो जो सितारा है, बुलंदियों पे उफक की वो जो सितारा है.
हंसी है ये एहसास आजादी का, अब मेरा फन मेरा जुनून बनेगा, आकाश की ये फिजाएं अब मेरी हैं, मेरा फन मेरा जुनून है, मेरा फन मेरा जुनून है.
the woman next to me. Guilt is burning, inside I'm hurting. This ain't a feeling I can keep, so blame it on the night. Don't blame it on me, don't blame it on me. Blame it on the night. Don't blame it on me, don't blame it on me. Blame it on the night. Don't blame it on me, don't blame it on me. Don't blame it on the night. Don't blame it on me, don't blame it on me. Don't blame it on me.
Quando sono solo sogno l'orizzonte e mancano parole. Sì, lo so che non c'è luce in una stanza quando manca il sole. Se non ci sei tu, a me su le finestre mostra a tutti il mio cuore che hai acceso. Chiudi dentro. Quando sono solo sogno l'orizzonte e mancano parole. Sì, lo so che non c'è luce in una stanza quando manca il sole.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness. Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. Cause you're a sky full of stars. Cause you light up the path. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw you.
It's definitely a stigma which people have to suffer, unfortunately. I think just a small fashion presentation is not enough to perhaps fathom the kind of feelings that people who suffer from urticaria, what they go through. It's a condition of the skin which can happen at any time for any reason, and it can be so isolating that I truly, my heart goes out to such people, and I truly feel that this is something that we have to take further. And I've just been told about this as well, that there is an association by the name of the You Within. We are here, and that is what Novartis has aimed to do, is to create the awareness so that we become more knowledgeable about the situation.
Dr. Afzal Lodhi, my friend. Dr. Sahab, how many such patients which share this problem of about urticaria of any sort, and what are the things which are social stigma you see in these patients?
Urticaria is quite common, and one of the most common conditions we see in our practice, like acne and urticaria. And these conditions, which are very common, are ought to have a few myths and beliefs, and all these are, I believe, are coincidences.
कैसी तेरी खुद गर्जी, ना धूप चुने ना छाओ, कैसी तेरी खुद गर्जी, किसी ठौर टिके ना पाओ, कैसी तेरी खुद गर्जी, ना धूप चुने ना छाओ, कैसी तेरी खुद गर्जी, किसी ठौर टिके ना पाओ।
टूटा टूटा एक परिंदा ऐसे टूटा कि फिर जुड़ ना पाया, लूटा लूटा किसने उसको ऐसे लूटा कि फिर उड़ ना पाया। टूटा टूटा एक परिंदा ऐसे टूटा कि फिर जुड़ ना पाया, लूटा लूटा किसने उसको